We are about to see a coin that's under 1 penny that will hit $1 that will possibly make you wealthy, me wealthy, and us in the community wealthy. If you guys want to know more about this, then make sure to watch the entire video. I have so much to share with you guys. So thank you for being here with me today on the Crypto Bliss channel. Once again, I am super excited and so happy to be here with you guys. And I'm feeling blessed and abundant as always. It's a beautifully boiling and gorgeous day here in Johannesburg, South Africa. So I'm super excited, guys. Hit me up with the flag of your country where you are from down in the comments below. I would love to know where my community is from. Just hit your flag, please. That would be awesome. Thank you to my special community. All right, guys. So today we are going to be speaking about JasmyCoin. I have spoken about this coin previously on the channel. I will continue to speak about this coin on the channel, and we are going to detail that now. But basically, JasmyCoin is dubbed as the Bitcoin of Japan. So if you guys want to know and you want to be able to invest in Bitcoin at penny or fractions, and I'm not saying it will ever replace Bitcoin, I'm not saying any of that, guys, but basically the fundamentals of Jasmy have been built on the principles of Bitcoin, and this coin is super huge, super powerful. There's a lot of people on YouTube that are speaking about this coin, and there is a lot to share. So let's not waste any more time. Let's jump straight into the content today. So I have spoken a little bit about this coin, perhaps throwing liquidity and liquidity grabbing, because it's only on 46,000 people's watch list, guys. I mean, for Japan's quite a huge country. And of course, Japan being the country that has the most amount of debt in the world, they are going to want to adopt crypto as fast as possible and get themselves into the space where they are actually making good capital and good cash. So with that being said, so much to share with you guys. I really appreciate it. And currently, Jasmy is sitting at 0.0038 cents, ranked 174. That's its logo, that's its name, that's its ticker. Down 4.1% for the day. $190 million market cap. Teeny tiny little market cap. So small. Are you guys ready to watch this coin absolutely obliterate the markets and explode? Well, let me go and show you something. The trading volume is 10%, just under 10% of the market cap, which is always a good sign. Fully diluted valuation 195, maximum supply of 50 billion tokens, and circulating already 48.4 of those billion of those tokens. If you were to buy even just $10 of Jasmy today, you would possibly, if this went to $1, you would possibly get $2,575 from your $10, guys. If you invested $100, you could maybe convert that into $25,746. If you spent $1,000, you would get about 257,400 coins, and that $1,000, if this hit $1 per coin, could literally make you $250,000. What do you think about that down below? Do you own Jasmy? I hope you do, because Jasmy is going to be absolutely massive, guys. Do I think Jasmy is a great time to buy? We'll just have to wait and see for the charts. Now, guys, the all-time high was actually at $4.79. Now, with this being the Bitcoin of Japan, do you think it could get anywhere near those prices once again? Well, let's go and see what the market cap looked like at that high. Well, we can't even see it, but that's $1.25 billion. So that's only a 6x from where we are right now. So 6x would literally give you 1.2. It would make it a penny. Isn't that quite interesting, right? Because if it's making it a penny, well, then I must say to you guys, yeah, we have a long way to go to the top side. So we are now 42% up from the all-time low. So if you guys are buying this coin at these prices, I'm telling you right now, you've got a big chance of winning massively with this coin. It has a very small market cap dominance of 0.016%, which is not much. I'd actually like to go and see when the crypto market cap hits 200 trillion, what that would look like. 0.01 if nothing changed. Okay. That would give us a $32 billion market cap. Okay. If it just remains the same and we divide that by today's current of 190 million, that will literally give us a 168x gain on this coin. So let's see if 168x gain could get us up to that $1 price. Not quite, but that's only a $32 billion market cap, guys. For the Bitcoin of Japan, I would expect this coin to, at the very, very least, hit a $100 billion market cap, especially if it's going to be the Bitcoin of Japan. Now, let's go and see what this coin is. I'm not saying this coin is going to compete with Bitcoin. I'm not even saying it's going to compete with any of the other coins here, but you can see that it's not a layer 1 coin, and we're going to go and have a look at what exactly it is. So here's Jasmy. If you want to check their website, jasmy.global, that is the website. So global is a decentralized data democracy where there's IoT, data, and value. We're going to check out the news now. So data democracy, billed as Japan's Bitcoin. Jasmy is a tokenized platform that champions the democratization of data by combining blockchain and IoT technology to provide an infrastructure that allows anyone to use data safely and securely. Jasmy aims to regain data sovereignty for all, so hopefully they do. So store and control your data in a safe and secure manner, safely and securely manage and control your own devices, provide safe and secure use of your data under clear rules, and you get paid for your data. I've said this to you before. They will pay you to use your data rather than a company like YouTube, which I'm recording this video for, who actually requires you to do very specific things to get paid to use your data. And even then, I don't even think YouTube pays to use your data, or Facebook. They just use it because that's what happens when you click the little sign on button. Sign up. Terms and conditions. Please read all terms and conditions. Okay, accept. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, you need like seriously internationally qualified lawyers to read those contracts. But anyways, guys, I'm just taking the piss out of it because that is what it is. How does Jasmy work? Your lot data is here. That's Jasmy. Merchant pays you in JasmyCoin to use your data, so you get absolutely cool data there. Fresh data generated by IoT devices will be stored securely, and merchants are required to pay for access to your data. Learn more about Jasmy. The Jasmy IoT platform. To achieve this, we have combined blockchain and IoT technology to provide the best platform for you across industries and around the world. IoT devices, IoT platforms, mobile application strategy and management support, secure data analysis. So, Jasmy was founded with the idea of data democracy. We believe in every person's right to a safer and more secure personal data. So Jasmy, that's the price. There's 55,000 holders. It's got a market cap of 193 million. The blockchain is on ETH, and there's your max and total supply, which is pretty decent, right? Jasmy blockchain stats. Active users are 107 users, and transactions per day are 500. Exchanges: Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Bitpont, Crypto.com, Gate.io, Bitfinex, Bybit, Mexi Global, Huobi Global, Wazerix, CX.io. So absolutely powerful, guys. I think this coin is going to be insane. So how does it work? The Jasmy IoT platform, I've showed you all of that. Secure data analysis. So Jasmy's ecosystem. You consume the data, secure knowledge communicator, personal data locker, secure knowledge communicator. Merchant pays JasmyCoin to use data. Consumers receive JasmyCoin. Use JasmyCoin as digital currency. Okay, so basically the key components of Jasmy ecosystem are: it's basically a peer-to-peer network, and you own your own user IDs. There is secure knowledge communicator, smart guardian, Jasmy Solution and Data Management, Jasmy IoT times reward system, and payment services, Jasmy Secure PC. So guys, if you want to go and check them out, go and check them out over there on their social media. But this coin for me is an incredible coin. Do you guys own Jasmy? Let me know down in the comments below. And if you want to trade Jasmy with me, make sure and remember to hit my Bybit link down below. As you saw, that's where you can go ahead and buy some Jasmy. Okay, as you see there. So hit my Bybit link down below and you can go ahead and get yourself. Are there any recent updates? Yes, there are. These are all from this month. So you can see pitch presentation by Jasmy CFO, Mr. Hara. So we won't really look at it. Jasmy and DWF Labs announced partnership to drive IoT blockchain growth and improve the data. So in other words, this is growing. It's growing, it's growing, it's growing, it's growing more and more and more. And if you guys don't believe that this coin could hit $1, well, then I don't know what you're thinking over there, because this is the current chart right now. And if you have a look at the current chart, I have previously on my other video shown you that we are currently hitting some sort of double bottom pattern that is unfolding. Now the RSI is a little bit overbought and it is pulling down, so we could pull down to this box here, create some sort of new higher low. You can see that the lows haven't broken and they are pushing high, so maybe we could come down and then get that energy to break up through the moving averages, the 100 moving average, the 50 and the 20, which have all been hardcore resistance, and bring us up to the 200 moving average up here, which would be 0.054 cents, which would be a 36% pump, just to get started, right? That's good. Would you like 36% pump? Oh yeah. Now, another thing that I've been showing you on this chart is we have a W pattern, right? That's busy going to potentially look to break out of this downsloping trend. And once it breaks out of the downsloping trend, there is my target for that over there. So you can see, boom, to the top here, because essentially that's the top of the trend. If I really had to draw in some more lines, you will see that that is the top of the trend. And why? Because that is where most of the resistance actually is. So, with that being said, what do you guys think so far? Let me know down in the comments below. I would love to know if you own any Jasmy. Now, in order for Jasmy to get to that point right there, guys. Now, Jasmy, in my personal view, possibly a long-term hold, especially if it's Japan's Bitcoin. That's a 182% gain. In other words, you're 1.8xing your money. Now, there are huge levels of resistance right all the way to the top. Now, if we have to take this to the top, I don't know if it will ever hit. I mean, this is up to the 35-cent price, guys. That's 6,260. Now, let's go and check out the $1 price. The $1. Let's get $1. Okay, $1 would give us a 17,500% gain on this coin. Would you like an extra 17,000% in your portfolio in the next 2 years? Well, then make sure to hit my Bybit link down below. Go ahead and hit that link so that you can get yourself $100 or $10 worth of Jasmy. If you bought $10 worth of Jasmy, when it hits $1, you're going to convert your $10 into $2,700. Now, you can't tell me you don't have $10 around. This isn't financial advice, of course, but I'm sharing with you guys what I personally believe. Now, do I believe that this coin could go a lot higher? Probably, you know, maybe a $2, a $3 price. Okay, if we had to hit a $2 or $3 price on this coin, maybe. Or what do you guys think? That would be a $3 price would give you a 55,000% gain, which means that's a 5,500x your money. Holy shit! Wow. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below if you own Jasmy. I personally am going to be hooking myself up with a tremendous amount of Jasmy down at this point. I'm going to be dollar cost averaging into this position, and I would like to at least own $1,000 worth of Jasmy. As I said down here, $1,000 worth of Jasmy would give me a return once it hits a $1 price level of $257,000. Now, guys, if you wanted to become a millionaire, okay, you would need 1 million coins. You would need to spend call it $4,000, so $3,900 in order for you to become a millionaire when Jasmy hits $1. Do you have $3,900? Well, I hope you do. I don't yet to spend on Jasmy, but I will get there one day. So if you guys enjoyed this content and you have Jasmy, hit me down in the comments below. Let me know where you're from, which country you're from, with the flag in the comments. I would love to know where my community is from. And if you guys did not go ahead, I've just released this H-bar video. Of course, this Jasmy video will be out in the next day or two, but go ahead and watch that. And I said here 2 weeks left on the Bitcoin chart, so make sure to go ahead and watch that video, guys. There is huge stuff about to happen in this space. So thank you very, very, very much for being here with me on the Crypto Bliss Show. I really appreciate every single last one of you beautiful, blessed beings. And make sure to go and watch this video, because this video was even crazier than this one. We'll see you on the next one.